Meaning of hard cash.
Hard cash.
Hard cash.
Hard cash.
Hard cash. Hard cash is a term used to describe physical currency, such as coins or bills, that can be used to make purchases. It is opposed to digital or electronic payment methods. The term is often used in conversations about financial transactions and personal finance. The use of hard cash can provide a sense of security and control over one's financial situation because it allows individuals to physically see and manage their money. However, carrying large amounts of cash can also pose risks, such as theft or loss.